If you're looking to streamline construction budgeting and make managing your projects easier, CoConstruct could be the solution you've been searching for. This powerful software simplifies the complexities of budgeting and construction, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters, delivering quality projects on time and within budget. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you how CoConstruct can revolutionize the way you manage your construction budgets, and how you can use it for free with exclusive bonuses. Let's dive in. CoConstruct makes tracking and managing project costs effortless. It gives you the ability to create detailed budgets that can be customized to meet the specific needs of each project. Whether you're working on residential or commercial projects, CoConstruct helps you avoid overspending and stay within your financial targets. Next thing, CoConstruct allows you to integrate all your financial information in one place. You can easily pull in cost data, adjust estimates, and generate reports in real time. This integration means you no longer have to juggle multiple tools or spreadsheets, reducing errors and saving you valuable time. The dashboard is user-friendly and intuitive, so you can keep tabs on your budget without feeling overwhelmed. The fourth thing that makes CoConstruct stand out is its ability to manage client selections and change orders directly within the budget. This is particularly useful when you're dealing with clients who may want to make changes during the project. CoConstruct automatically updates your budget as these changes happen, giving you a clear picture of how adjustments affect the overall cost. This keeps both you and your client on the same page, reducing the likelihood of misunderstandings or disputes. Another key feature is its project forecasting capabilities. CoConstruct helps you predict future costs based on historical data, giving you the insights you need to plan better for upcoming projects. With accurate forecasting, you can make more informed decisions and avoid budget surprises later in the project. The ability to track costs in real time is a game changer. CoConstruct provides you with up-to-date cost tracking, allowing you to spot any budget issues before they spiral out of control. With real-time notifications and alerts, you can address potential cost overruns immediately, keeping your projects on track and within budget. Lastly, the collaboration features in CoConstruct make it easy for everyone involved in the project to stay informed. Team members, subcontractors, and clients can all access the same budget data, improving communication and reducing the chances of costly mistakes. By keeping everyone in the loop, CoConstruct ensures that your project runs smoothly from start to finish. Remember, CoConstruct can help you streamline construction budgeting and make managing your projects easier than ever. And the best part? You can use it for free by clicking the first link below to get access to our exclusive bonus offer. Don't miss out on this limited time deal that will set you up for success in your next construction project. Thanks for watching. Be sure to grab your extended free trial and start transforming the way you handle construction budgeting today.